Clear.
Clear below 12,000. Temperature 32, dew point 11, altimeter 2989er. Visual approach in use, landing and departing, runway 31 left and right. All aircraft use caution, gliders operating 5 miles northwest Hillsboro Airport. Helicopters operating adjacent all runways that are below 1,000 feet. Advised hour and initial contact, you have information, Quebec.
Hillsboro ground, Skyhawk 80278 at the Tower T's. With information, Quebec, request taxi to the run-up area for 31 left. We'll be departing to the west.
Skyhawk 80278 Hillsboro ground, you said you're to the Tower T's, is that correct?
That is correct.
Skyhawk 278, runway 31 left to run-up area, taxi via Charlie Alpha Mike, cross runway 2 at Alpha.
Charlie Alpha Mike, cross runway 2 at Alpha, 80278. Okay, do taxi checks. Hillsboro Tower, Skyhawk 80278, 31 left at Alpha 8, ready for takeoff.
Skyhawk 80278, Hillsboro Tower, roger, landing traffic.
Roger, 278.
Cessna 278, the Cessna ahead is in left closed traffic. Wind calm, runway 31 left at Alpha 8, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, and we'll keep an eye out for the traffic, 278. Alright, lights. Which is transponder to altitude, mixture of full rich, instruments in the green, safety belts on, and I've already got the time. Set. All right, wheels on the floor. Full power is verified. Airspeed's alive. Five zero. Seaside area traffic, Skyhawk 80278, 5,500 feet descending, about 10 miles south of Cannon Beach. Be transiting the area south to north at 3,500 feet, then continuing in along the Sunset Highway, Seaside.
Southeast practice 2. Southern practice, south to McLachlan River, Seaside traffic, it's Cessna 172, Golf Foxtrot Yankee India. We're 1,500 feet, about 2 miles to the northeast. The overflying the runway to check out the windsock.
And Seaside traffic, copy 0 Papa Hotel, copy that. We're over downtown, climbing through 1,500 feet. Northbound, we'll look for you, sir.
Okay, we'll descend down to 1,000, and did you just take off?
Affirmative, and I now have you in sight, so we'll be no faster. Thank you, sir.
You checked out which runway was the wind favoring?
We departed the heliport 3 miles south. The wind was from that location coming out of the northwest.
Roger that. Foxtrot Yankee is planning the downwind left for runway 34, Seaside. Seaside traffic, Foxtrot Yankee, downwind left, 3 and 4, Seaside.